Victor Bar.
Come on, Haley!
Our team did great. We're very happy. The girls barely snuck by Sonora, which is huge for us going into league with that extra win. So our girls are now undefeated, and going into league, that's a big deal. And the Sonora boys are just an amazing team this year. So we're happy to just have them to swim against because it pushes our kids.
All right, couldn't be more proud of our boys this year. You know, taking 1 and 2 in almost every event today and for most of the year. On our way to hopefully a league championship. And our girls, I couldn't be more proud of them. The improvement we've made in just the last week alone from the last time we swam against Bret Hart is a win for us. So, really excited.